What's your name? Don't you play this game? You from another land, got you like it's contraband. Tell me what's your name?
Alright, so I just got a grilled chicken salad from The Habit. If you've watched my channel for a really long time, I've gotten this and shared this multiple times, but I take the chicken out since I don't eat meat and I put in a vegan patty. So I usually can like make something vegan from home. I'll just get home and I'll choose like one of these vegan burgers or like meatless crumbles, and I'll just do some type of veggie option on top. But The Habit, they actually offer a vegan patty now. So I just have them sub the chicken for a vegan patty. I don't get any dressing because their ranch dressing and their Caesar is very, very high in fat. And it's very heavily like dairy based. So I just choose to go with the Bolthouse Farms Creamy Caesar. This is vegetarian, of course, but not vegan, but it has a lower amount of dairy, and this is actually a yogurt-based dressing, so the macros are better since I'm being really strict on my cut and on all of my macros. So 45 cal for 2 tablespoons, 2.5 fat, 4 carb, and 2 protein. I'm telling you, the taste on this is unbeatable. They have so many flavors. I always get this from Albertsons. So I basically just get croutons, shredded carrots, Christian singing, cucumbers, grilled onions. I asked them to substitute the raw onions for grilled, and a veggie patty on top. And this is also a lot of volume of salad. So usually sometimes I'll split this up into 2 meals just because it's so incredibly, I was gonna say fulfilling. It is fulfilling, but filling as well. So yeah, this is just a pretty staple meal for me that I have all the time. It's absolutely delicious, not too pricey, and it's just a really good option if you're on the go. So that was my first big meal of the day. You guys know I do intermittent fasting, so I believe it was like 1:30 p.m. I had that salad, and then I just wanted to show you here two of my staple like snack meals that I have. I was just having some carrots and celery along with the no-calorie Walden Farms ranch dipping sauce, which is actually surprisingly tasty for having no calories. It doesn't taste like chemically or gross in my opinion. I really like it. So I just did 2 servings of the veggies along with that ranch. And then this is also a really good snack option that I love. It's the Quaker caramel rice cakes. So these do have 50 calories per rice cake. It's just, you can also use these as well for like a skinny sandwich. If you do eat meat, you can put like turkey slices on top. Here what I'm going to do though is just use sugar-free jelly and whipped peanut butter because it actually has a lot less calories and macros. As you can see, I was just spreading like a really thin layer on each rice cake, and I was weighing everything out just because I want to be as close to the T as possible on my macros. I was doing 1 tablespoon of the whipped peanut butter and then 1 serving of the jelly and making a huge ass mess, as you can see, because I'm 5 years old. So I was just doing 2 thin layers of those and then 1 serving of these unsweetened chocolate chips, which was about 70 calories for 30 grams. So I was just weighing it out again to be really consistent on trying to hit my macros like literally to a T. But this ended up being super filling, great afternoon snack. Highly recommend you guys try. They also have white cheddar rice cakes, which are really, really good. But today I was just feeling like the peanut butter and chocolate chip combo. And as you can see, what am I doing with my hands? Trying to make like a cute Instagram picture visual for you guys. But yeah, this was really bomb. And that was what I had before dinner.